I want to share one personal experience. Yesterday, I was taking my online session, and there is one session called Impromptu talk session. In that session, you have to speak on the spot. And I asked my students to give me any topic of their choice and I can speak. And they gave me a topic and I spoke for nearly 5 minutes. I stopped because I wanted them to speak up, so I stopped early. But then one student asked me that, "Sir, I also want to speak like you. How can I do it?" I told a personal story from my life. One day I was traveling. I had a seminar. And while traveling, this was a nearly 4-hour journey. And when I reached just close to the destination, 5 minutes before, I took out my notepad and pen and made some notes. Just made some important points, wrote them down. My wife was watching that and she said that, "Well, are you preparing now for your seminar?" I said, "No, these are the only important points which I have to cover. I am preparing since 18 years. You can't be a good communicator, you can't be a good public speaker by preparing 1 hour, 2 hours or 2 days before. You can't do that. Do you remember your school speech which you gave? You prepared it 4 days, 1 week, 10 days before. You crammed it. And what happened there? Your speech was dull, monotonous, boring. It looked like you have rehearsed it. It was not natural." Dear friends, if you want to be a good communicator, good public speaker, you cannot just prepare 2 days, 10 days before. You have to prepare always. You have to get ready always. You have to read every day. You have to write down the quotes every day. You have to make notes. You should get knowledge from all walks of life, from all subjects. And that knowledge will be handy when you are on the stage, when you forget. So, prepare. Better resent and repair. Thank you.